Sawadee Cup and welcome to Thailand News Today. Last day of the week, looking forward to the weekend, but lots of new news to catch up with today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're watching on YouTube and tell your friends. Thailand's Health Minister Anutin is at it again, making disparaging and xenophobic comments about white foreigners, who we also describe as farang. This time he's warned his fellow Thais about the foreigners fleeing their own countries for the safe haven of Thailand. He said, "Today I visited Chiang Mai and noticed that there are almost no Chinese tourists. All you see are farang. Not only that, but 90% of Thais are wearing face masks. However, none of the farang are wearing masks. This is the reason our country is being infected all around. We should be more careful of the farang than Asians." He went on to say that at the moment it's winter in Thailand and farang are coming to Thailand to hide from the disease. He said many farang dress dirty and don't shower. As hosts, we have to be very careful. Last month, the minister was pilloried for his other racist comments about white foreigners when he said they should be kicked out of Thailand when they weren't wearing face masks at a PR event at the Siam BTS station in Bangkok. Some of the Thai nationals, dubbed Pinoy or little ghosts, who have been quarantined at a naval base in Sattahip in Chonburi, are heading home today after their quarantine. The Public Health Ministry and Royal Thai Navy officials agreed this week that many of the migrant workers can be released. Ruben Tuck reports.
The dispersal began at 8 this morning with those who live farthest away from the base. 13 tour buses have been arranged to transport the labourers, and there are still about 200 labourers in the base's quarantine facilities who are suspected of infection. A government spokeswoman says most of these cannot be returned to their hometowns until they recover because those locales lack the capability to take care of them. Reporting for the Thaiger, I'm Ruben M. Tuck.
Meanwhile, the Public Health Ministry has today announced 5 new cases of the COVID-19 coronavirus. The new cases take the local number of infections in the country to 75 since January. 34 patients have recovered and been discharged from hospital. Yesterday there were 11 new cases announced and the day before 5. Of course, the impact of the virus is being felt at all levels around Thai, certainly in many businesses, including up in northern Thailand with the elephant camps. Most have closed their doors and laid off thousands of staff. Those that remain open are hemorrhaging money, according to local operators. The chairman of the Mai Tang Elephant Camp and a spokesman for the industry says 85 of Chiang Mai's 94 camps and parks have shut down. He said, "We used to have 1,000 tourists a day, now there are 50 Thais or Europeans. Break even would be around 400. Two of Thailand's most prominent airline bosses have thrown in the towel. They've cited the government's bungling of the COVID-19 crisis. Both resignations happened yesterday. The president of Thai Airways resigned yesterday afternoon. That corporate bombshell was closely followed by the resignation of the director of Suvarnabhumi International Airport. At this stage, the Thai government has not responded to the high-profile resignations. Both Thai Airways and Suvarnabhumi have been at the front line of managing the government's botched implementation of travel restrictions, punctuated with changes of mind and reversals of policy announcements relating to travel restrictions and quarantine requirements. The situation has caused a messy blancmange of ministerial announcements, contradictions, non-clarifying clarifications and confusion for domestic and international travellers. With Chiang Mai again being declared the world's most polluted city, the Royal Thai Army have been sent up north to try and battle some of the fires. With Chiang Mai once again being designated the world's most polluted city today, the Royal Thai Army have been deployed up to the north of Thailand to detect, put out fires and also start arresting people. Forest fires and agricultural burning, both in Thailand and neighbouring Cambodia, have created extremely poor air quality levels. The newly deployed firefighting rangers are being sent to fire-prone areas around Chiang Mai, Chiang Rai and Lampang. They'll be patrolling for fires and arrest anyone they find starting them. Local media report that 456 hotspots were found across Chiang Mai province this morning alone. Well, that's the way we see it. The final day of the week. We hope you have a good weekend. We'll be back on Monday, but in the meantime, please subscribe to the channel. We look forward to seeing you on Monday.